Good day and welcome to the channel. In this short video, we are going to show you how to fix this problem. Publishing failed, could not update post in database. This will occur if you have an older WordPress site that you've upgraded a million times over the years, and is probably because you're trying to save an emoji or some sort of special character. You know, something you can get from Windows if you press Windows period. You get the emoji keyboard. If you use any of these and you have a WordPress site that was originally built years ago, you're probably going to have this publishing failed problem. You won't even be able to save it as a draft. So let's explain why, and then we'll show you the quick fix. The problem is that the SQL database is only encoding things in 3-bit, and emojis need 4-bit. So no problem. Just upgrade it. But before we do that, let's go take a look at the only requirement for this. Well, there's two requirements. One, you have to be running WordPress 5.5.3 or newer. Everybody's at 6 these days or newer, so you're probably fine there. And the second thing is your MySQL version has to be at least version 10.6.8. Mine's at 0.24, as you can see. And if you're wondering how I got this, I went into cPanel, and then on the right side, you can see server information, and I simply clicked on that to take me to the MySQL version. The next thing you need to do, and this is purely precautionary, is take a backup. So just scroll down to Backup Manager in your cPanel, click on it, and that'll take you here, and click on the cPanel Backup Wizard, and take a full backup. And now we just have to add a tiny bit of code to functions.php. So how do you do that? No problem. Click on the appearance on the left and go to Theme File Editor, sometimes just called Theme Editor or sometimes called File Editor. And we need to go into the functions.php file. So click on that. Now you can do this in a bunch of ways. You could modify that file through cPanel. You could modify it with an FTP product like FileZilla, or you can just do it through the GUI like we're doing here. Scroll to the very bottom, paste this code in. By the way, we will put this code in the description box below so you can grab it. But it's pretty straightforward. You can see it's simply going to convert the character set to UTF-8 MB4. Click Update File. You might get an error saying this is not a good idea, don't screw with this. And of course, this is always done at your own risk, but we're doing it. So, you know. Anyway, there we go. Now, the fastest way to do this is to open up a new tab and go to your site. And boom, that code is executed now. So what we have to do is remove that little bit of code. Having this code sit here isn't a crisis. If you left it, the sky would not fall. But it is going to modify your SQL backend, and doing that every time somebody loads a page isn't a good idea. So get rid of it. There we go. Now we select Update File. Now, if you have a small blog of, say, I don't know, less than 500 pages, this should be done in less than 10 seconds. This one is 3,000 pages, so I'm expecting it'll take about 30 seconds. So let's see if it's done now. I really don't know. And let's try to add some emojis in here. So I'm going to press the Windows key on my keyboard and the period, and bingo, there are emojis. These are apparently ones I've used in the past. I'll use a B for that one. And I'll go here, most important point, Windows period. And here we'll search for exclamation mark, boom, and we'll do a bomb here. There we go. Now, that's been more than 30 seconds, I'm sure. Let's see if we can save this now. Save, but I see at the top here I still have an error. Okay, so let me tell you why that is. It's because the prefix for my file structure is different than the default. Now, for you, you're probably done. You click save, you're finished. However, in my case, I have gone into my PHP admin, which I got to, by the way, from the cPanel, just going into PHP my admin, and then drill down into the _WP table, and then down to WP_posts. And I can see here, I've still got UTF-8 MB3. Darn. But the problem is, I have a different prefix on all of my tables. Now you could go screw around with the script and get it to change the prefix, but that's a dangerous little business. So I'm not going to do that. The easiest way to go now, if the problem still exists for you, is to go back to Appearance, Theme File Editor, click on Functions, PHP, scroll to the very bottom, paste in this script. And you can see that it forces WordPress to encode 4-bit characters, in other words, emojis, as HTML entries instead. This costs very little in overhead. This will only have any impact when you save a new post. So it's very minor. So click Update File, and this one you just leave. So let's go back and try to save our file again. So here we'll click Save. Here you go. That did it. And now, if I want to view the post, the emojis show up, everything's happy. Cool. So hey, if you found this video useful, big thumbs up would be super appreciated. If you have any questions or concerns, you can always get a hold of us at www.urtech.ca, or you can leave a question or comment below, and if we don't get back to you, somebody else will, because on YouTube, everybody's got an opinion. Thanks and have a great day. Bye-bye.